guys, it's Ariel from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to unreconcile a reconciliation. Basically, if you need to undo it, this is what you need to do. So go to Transactions, Reconcile. So if you need to unreconcile, let's say your checking account or credit card, basically anything that's been reconciled that you need to undo, it's gonna be this same process. So go to History by Account. So click the account that you need. So this one say checking account. This is a sample company I just play with, so nothing here is correct or real. So this one has been reconciled to this ending balance. So here we're just going to click undo. And then it's going to ask you, yes, do you want to go ahead and undo this? We're going to click yes, okay? If you click go back, it's not going to undo the reconciliation. So click undo and then click yes and then click undo. And that's how you undo a reconciliation. You see it's no longer reconciled here. Now, please note that only certain types of users can undo a reconciliation. So if you click the drop down and you don't see undo, you don't have that privilege as that type of user to undo a reconciliation. Okay?